Hello friends, it's a complex analysis June 2011 part B question, and the statement of the question is let f is a function from d to d. One second. From d to d be holomorphic with f0 is equal to half and f half is equals to 0. ठीक है, हमें एक फंक्शन दिया है from d to d where d is a closed disk, okay, and value of function at 0 is given and at half is also given. Okay, now we need to find f dash 0, range of f dash 0, range of f dash half, okay, and here also, and the type of function. Okay, now whenever there is, okay, there is a method to solve these questions also. If whenever there is a function from d to d and we need to find the range of f dash at some point, then we will use Schwarz lemma. Okay, हमें इसकी रेंज निकालनी है तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, Schwarz lemma. There is a Schwarz lemma to solve such type of questions. Okay, Schwarz lemma and Schwarz lemma क्या बोलता है, if f is a function from d to d, analytic function. Okay, analytic function हमें given है holomorphic and it is a function from d to d, then the value of f dash a is, range of f dash a is less than is equals to 1 minus mod b square upon 1 minus mod a square, where b is equals to f of a. Okay, now we need to find f dash 0, mod of f dash 0, range of mod of f dash 0 and mod of f dash half. Okay, now to apply this formula we need to have value of f0 and value of f half. Okay, and it is given that f0 is half, हमें given है ये values, and f half is 0. ठीक है, हमें values given है तो so we can apply this formula easily. is less than is equals to क्या हो जाएगा, 1 minus mod b is 1 upon 2 square 1 minus 0 square. Okay, and this will become 1 minus 0 square, okay, upon 1 minus half square. Okay, now this will give us 1 minus 1 upon 4 and this will give us 1 minus 1 upon 4. Okay, now from here we can say it is equals to 4 minus 1 3 upon 4. Okay, and this will give us 4 upon 3. Okay, now so therefore we have f dash mod f dash 0 is less than is equals to 3 by 4 आ गया, and f dash half is less than or equal to कहाँ क्या आ गया, 4 by 3. now come to options. option A correct because 3 by 4 ही आ रहा है. option B also correct. option C is also correct. Okay, 1 second, it's a part C question, sorry, it's a part C question because more than one option, I think I confuse here. now it is a part C questions. Okay, now option C is also correct. now option D, now for option D check f z is equals to z है कि नहीं है. ठीक है, ये फॉर ऑल z बिलोंग्स टू d होना चाहिए ना. इधर हम ऑप्शन से ही बोल सकते हैं f0 हाफ दे रहे हैं, ठीक है ना, बट एफ जेड इज इक्वल्स टू जेड होता तो ये क्या देता, f0 मस्ट भी इज इक्वल्स टू 0 होना चाहिए था और f हाफ हाफ के इक्वल होना चाहिए. तो बट यही दोनों नहीं सेटिस्फाई, एक भी सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा, वैसे ही गलत हो जाता है. तो ऑप्शन डी इज इनकरेक्ट. सो आर करेक्ट ऑप्शंस आर A, B and C.